Hello guys, my name is Ansh Mahesh Gone. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the important and takeaways from the creator of Nike Phil Knight's book, Shoe Dog. So guys, let's start the video. Shoe Dog by Phil Knight is a candid memoir chronicling the tumultuous journey of building Nike from a wild idea into a global powerhouse. The book spans from Knight's post-college uncertainty in 1962 through Nike's public offering in 1980. Offering rare insight into the personal and professional struggles that shaped the company. It's a messy, perilous, and chaotic journey, riddled with mistakes, endless struggles, and sacrifice. Phil Knight opens up in ways few CEOs are willing to do. The crazy idea and humble beginnings. After earning an MBA from Stanford, Knight, a former runner, was obsessed with finding high-quality, low-cost running shoes for American athletes. He theorized that Japanese manufacturers could disrupt the market, similar to what they had done with cameras 5. At age 24, he convinced his skeptical father to lend him $50 so he could travel the world and pitch his idea. In Tokyo, he met with Onitsuka, the maker of Tiger shoes, and secured distribution rights for the western U.S., despite not yet having a company. 5. Knight founded Blue Ribbon Sports, BRS, in 1964. Initially selling shoes out of his car trunk at track meets. That first year he grossed $8,000,002. Building the team and facing struggles. Knight's former track coach, Bill Bowerman, became his partner, contributing both money and innovative shoe designs. Their relationship was foundational, as was the camaraderie among early employees, whom Knight affectionately called the butt faces. 2. 4. The company's growth was relentless but always precarious. BRS constantly struggled with cash flow. They needed to pay suppliers before collecting from customers, leading to repeated brushes with bankruptcy. Knight often negotiated desperately with banks and suppliers, even selling his car to keep the business afloat. 8. The company faced legal battles, including a major lawsuit with Onitsuka when their partnership soured. This conflict forced Knight to create his own brand, Nike and develop the iconic swoosh logo. 7. 8. Innovation, integrity, and breakthroughs. Nike's early success was driven by relentless innovation, e.g., Bowerman's waffle sole, a willingness to take risks, and a culture that valued honesty and teamwork. 6. 8. Despite setbacks, including manufacturing issues and fierce competition, Knight's team maintained integrity and a deep belief in their mission to serve athletes. 6. Nike's first big break came when their shoes gained traction among runners and later basketball players. The company's growth exploded, but the journey remained fraught with uncertainty until Nike finally went public in 1980, securing its financial future. 8. Reflections and lessons. Knight emphasizes that success is not a straight line. His story is marked by self-doubt, mistakes, and near failure as much as by triumph. The memoir is not a business manual, but a deeply personal account of the emotional roller coaster of entrepreneurship. Knight credits much of Nike's success to perseverance, adaptability, and the power of a committed team. 8. He closes with advice for young entrepreneurs. Trust your team, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to follow your crazy idea. 5. 8. Key takeaways. Persistence and resilience are essential for any entrepreneur. Innovation and a willingness to adapt can turn setbacks into opportunities. Building a strong, loyal team is as important as any business strategy. The journey to success is chaotic and filled with uncertainty, but belief in your mission can carry you through to 5. 8. Shoe Dog stands out for its honesty, humility, and the vivid, often vulnerable, storytelling that brings the early days of Nike to life. It's both a business saga and a personal meditation on risk, ambition, and the meaning of achievement. 3. 8. Thank you for watching this video. To get these interesting audiobook, follow my channel.